Hello viewers, welcome to Sunastro. Sunastro combines Vedic and KP astrology to provide astrological consultation. If you like our video, please subscribe, share and comment. The consultation, you can see the link given in the description box below. And please visit our website sunastro.org. In today's video, we'll see what are the yogas that helps a person becoming a doctor. So this is a chart of a client. He's a reputed doctor. He's also a surgeon, and we'll see what are the yogas that make him so successful doctor in India. Now, first we'll see the Lagna chart. In the Lagna chart, we see that the first house Venus is sitting, and Venus is sitting in its own sign in Taurus. So this is making the person very powerful, and this is making the Lagna very powerful. So that is why the person is so successful today in the society. Now, in the 10th house of career, we see Moon is sitting there, and we see the 10th lord and the 9th lord, both is Saturn, and Saturn is sitting in the 7th house. Now, this is a very powerful combination where 9th and 10th lord is combined and sitting in the Kendra house. When Trikon and Kendra lord combine and sitting in the Kendra house, it becomes a very powerful yoga and makes a person reach or achieve a great height of in his career. Now, in the second house, we see Mercury, Mars, and Sun is sitting together. So, when a Mars and Mercury they sit together, it helps a person in becoming a surgeon. Now, if you see the Navamsha chart, in the Navamsha chart, we see the first lord of the Lagna lord is Sun, and Sun is sitting in the third house. So, Sun is going to the third house, which shows that the person has to give a lot of self efforts around the clock duty. We all know that doctors do round the clock duty. Now, in the 10th house, we see Mars, Moon, and Venus along with Ketu. So, if you see, Moon is helping in becoming a doctor, Mars in helping in becoming a surgeon. Ketu here is making the person detached from his family life. The person is very focused on his career and give a very less time to his family. So, we can see all this from his chart. Now we'll see the Dashamsha chart. In the Dashamsha chart, we see Mars and Mercury is helping in becoming a surgeon, and Mars and Mercury is sitting in the first house. In the 10th house, we see Moon, which is helping in becoming a doctor, because Moon, whenever sits in the 10th house, makes a person interested in the medical field. Now, the 10th lord and the first lord is Jupiter sitting in the second house. And 8th house is very important for doctors. Now, see, in the 8th house, we see Venus is sitting in its own sign, which is again making the person very powerful in 8th house little things, because 8th house also shows surgeon. So, 8th house is very important for doctors. Now, see the KP chart. In the KP chart, we see Sun is sitting in the first house. And here we see that in the 10th house, Moon and Rahu sitting together. Moon is Mahin and Rahu is obsession. So the mind is or less obsessed in career or in the work related things, because this combination is happening in the 10th house. Again, we see in the second house, Mercury and Mars is sitting together, a combination for surgeon. Now, we'll see the cuspal position. In the cuspal position, we see the 10th sublord, because 10th sublord shows career. The 10th sublord here is Venus, and the 10th nakshatra lord is Rahu. So again, a Venus-Rahu combination. Rahu is the mind, where obsession is seen, and Venus, you will see the significator of Venus. Venus is showing significators, like Moon is nakshatra lord of Venus, and Jupiter is becoming sublord of Venus. Now, if you see the planet signification of Venus, we'll see that Venus is showing planet houses like 1, 3, 6, 10, and 12. So 6 here shows service, doctors has to provide service, and 1 and 10 shows his establishment, as well as he's becoming famous in the outside India also. So 1, 10, 12 combination is helping here to become famous outside India as well. This was my analysis for this chart. Thank you for watching. Please visit the website sunastro.org.